If you're a college student looking for a part-time job that requires no investment, there are plenty of great options to earn extra cash while managing your studies. Online tutoring is a fantastic way to make money by teaching subjects you're already good at through platforms like Chegg or Tutorm. Freelancing on sites like Fiverr and Upwork allows you to offer skills like writing, graphic design, or video editing at your convenience. If you enjoy social media, managing pages, creating content, or even doing affiliate marketing can be a great way to generate passive income. Virtual assistant jobs are also in high demand, where you help businesses with tasks like scheduling and email management. For those who prefer flexible work, participating in online surveys, transcription work, or becoming a customer service representative can be done from home. Additionally, delivery services like Uber Eats and DoorDash provide a simple way to earn by delivering food in your spare time. With so many options available, you can find the perfect job that fits your skills and schedule without any upfront investment.